When you're choosing between brands before making the next purchase, even if you're a pro woodworker or a regular carpenter, you're bound to get confused. This is why we choose some coolest RYOBI tools for woodworking that may save you from hesitancy. This little guy you see here is the Power Carver from RYOBI. This USB lithium power carver ensures you do powerful and precise carving every time. And it offers unmatched control while carving on an important project. Not just that, it's also great for your DIY carving projects. Despite its size, this tool provides substantial strength and easy access to tight spaces. Long story short, this RYOBI Track Saw goes everywhere you go, taking on any jobs and making them a breeze. The Brushless Track Saw lets you have up to 55 inches of controlled, accurate cuts. With the adjustable depth switch, you can make precise square and plunge cuts anytime, anywhere. The substantial cut depth will never let you down while dealing with busy workshop days. Plus, it delivers the power you need, the runtime you demand, and great portability and versatility. Finally, let's not forget about the dust cleaning system. It will keep you absolutely dust-free. Let's see what RYOBI's chainsaws got for us. Well, this 12-inch 40-volt HP brushless chainsaw allows up to 4 times faster cutting to save you time, money, and environment. It utilizes advanced technology with a brushless motor that delivers the performance of gas without any hassle. All you have to do is pull a trigger. And the unique top-handle design ensures you improve control over rough and tough cuttings. Tackle cut after cut with the power you need and the convenience you want. When going through tough nailing hours on the site, a cordless nailer you may love to have. Meet the RYOBI 18-volt Airstrike Finish Nailer that helps you to finish the job with cordless convenience and corded power. Dealing with extended periods of work? No problem. This light guy has the ability to drive up to 1,000 nails per charge. Thanks to the 78% smaller nose and improved line of sight, this nailer offers you more pinpoint drives. Worried about individual projects? This tool will save you from that with the tool-free drive and pressure adjustment settings. Unparalleled power and increased productivity. Next is the RYOBI OnePlus HP Compact Brushless Circular Saw. Despite being 25% lighter than the previous circular saws, it delivers more power, runtime, and durability to deal with every job you meet at home or outdoors. This circular saw delivers up to 4,900 RPM of cutting power while having a small and light design. Surprisingly enough, it allows you to make around 350 cuts on a single charge. It also equips a depth adjustment gauge, which lets you get the desired cutting depth on your materials. 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, vacuum dust adapter, and onboard LED work light are the other pros of this saw to keep you productive during hectic job site situations. Branch removal has never been so easy until the RYOBI OnePlus pole saw came into the field. Yep, this 8-inch pole saw simply eliminates all the hassle of gas and oil, letting you work like a pro while cutting high branches, shrubs, and all. You'll get up to 9.5-foot reach when dealing with tough pruning and limbing on heights. Plus, the angle cutting head, tooled chain tensioning, and faster cutting facility directly impact your productivity, keeping you one step further than your coworkers. Spend a ton of time trimming your trees? Then you should try out this pole saw just once. Although this brushless jigsaw doesn't carry the same power as a circular saw, it is a little tricky tool that perfectly handles your relevant tasks. First things first, it ensures 36% faster cutting and 78% longer runtime. It features 4 orbital settings to increase cutting versatility for wide materials and applications. And the variable speed dial combines with the lock-on cutting capability to ensure maximum control. With the die-cast metal base and non-marring shoe, this jigsaw offers you extreme durability and surface protection. However, you don't need additional tools to change the blade. Change them quickly with bare hands. Finally, this jigsaw boasts uncountable features to live up to all your expectations. Adjustability, power, and portability. The RYOBI 10-inch sliding miter saw is a great solution for busy wood workshops. Having up to 12-inch crosscut capacity, this miter saw takes on every cutting job you have struggled to deal with. On top of that, it has a 0 to 45 degree single bevel adjustability with 47 degrees of extendability at left and right. Also, the positive stops at the 9 most common cutting angles and LED cut line indicator maintains pro-grade qualities on each project. The OnePlus HP technology delivers corded cutting performance and lets you make up to 550 cuts per charge. If you think it's time to upgrade your workshop, maybe you need this RYOBI Cordless Table Saw. This cordless table saw provides similar performance as a corded one does. Thanks to its HP Brushless technology, you'll get increased power and runtime. The steel frame stands for added durability and strength. This table saw offers up to 12-inch of rip-cut capacity, has an adjustable self-alighting fence, and a quickly adjustable blade height, so now you can complete every job like a pro. If you need it indoors, just put the table in the back trunk of your car and bring it home. So, that was the list of the coolest RYOBI tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.